Greetings, everyone. I'm doing a job search using the website Indeed.com as instructed. I'm typing in the zip code first, and I'm using my first keyword, desktop support. Find jobs. Okay, so the salary is estimate from 300,000 to 110,000, and some of the uh, jobs that have been present: junior systems administrator, information systems technician for the U.S. Navy, True Blue IT service desk uh, technician, IT support specialist. Click at this one, and duties and responsibilities. Clean and update computers and handheld devices, run diagnostic programs, follow up with customers, gain feedback. Associate's degree in computer science or 2.5 years of related experience, and some of the certifications. All right, that's great. It looks like an amazing opportunity. So I'll do one without anything, and I'll do another keyword, IT help desk. Yeah, tier 1 IT technician, first line support technician. Yeah, 3 so far right here in California. There's another one in California, and another one in California. So it looks like there's quite a bit actually. For the best location for IT help desk job looks like to be Southern California. And if I click one, we can look at the requirements again. Qualifications, associate's degree in IT field. Required skills. Continuous learning, flexibility, customer focus, quality commitment, good relationships, problem solver. So these look like a lot of the basics. And one bonus would be associate's degree and working experience in the profession, and probably certifications like A plus, which I got, and Network Plus. So there's some 2 awesome qualifications. And I'll do one more with another keyword, IT support, and I'll type in a city, and a state. So I have one. So we have 18 new positions. And this is within a 25-mile radius. And we have a 30 plus range for these positions, a $30,000 range. IT specialist. Oh, well, this looks like to be with the Department of Veteran Affairs, which would be great for me. This looks like a really awesome job, to be honest. Qualifications. This is for a healthcare system, so I do know with working with healthcare systems that they have their own certifications just within the healthcare facilities, because healthcare places like hospitals, they use their own software, and the IT help desk people need to be efficient in that software so they can go help troubleshoot with the users. So Microsoft, I know Cisco might as well. I know Microsoft has also put out a certification that can be used when applying for IT jobs related specifically to the healthcare field. And this concludes my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it.